Okay, hello and good evening to all of you. Today we will discuss one of the news given in the Hindu newspaper, and it is related with the olive ridley turtle. This olive ridley turtle, let me tell you, it has been specified, categorized by the IUCN under the endangered species. So, since it is endangered species, so it is the responsibility of all of us to protect it, to nourish it, and to save it. Because every species directly or indirectly affects the human being. As far as this olive ridley turtle is concerned, this Rushikulya beach is a perfect home for this species. This Rushikulya beach is located in the Ganjam district of Odisha, and it is very safe and secure because the kind of temperature they require for their hatching, it is very much present in the Rushikulya beach. What happens every year? They start their hatching process, means they start giving birth to their babies, they start laying the eggs starting from the month of February, and it goes to the March or in the first week of the April, because entire incubation period of the eggs given by these olive ridley turtle is 45 days. Why it came into news? Because suddenly the rainfall took place in that Rushikulya beach, and as we know that when the rain takes place, the temperature of that particular place gets down up to a certain extent. So these the mother, this olive ridley turtle family, they buried their eggs under the sand which is present in the Rushikulya beach. So the sand gives a kind of temperature, and as we know that temperature is very necessary for the survival of the egg and for, you can say, the development of the baby. So what happens generally, if you take the example, means their perfect temperature, means whatever temperature they require, if that temperature is present, so 45 days are sufficient for their eggs, and after 45 days the baby comes out of the egg. Since the rain has taken place, so the temperature has gone down, and due to this gone down in the temperature, their incubation period might increase 6 to 7 days. So almost you can say 52 or 53 days, means 1 week extra we have to wait to play with the babies of these olive ridley turtle. The 4.5 lakh mother of this olive ridley turtle, they are going to lay the eggs in the Rushikulya beach this year, and it is the highest number ever India has recorded. And one mother gives near about 120 eggs at a time. So the problem is there that when you are the people who are coming for the fishing or for any other purpose to this beach, sometimes it becomes very difficult for these species in terms of survival. They catch this turtle, and the maximum weight of this turtle can go more than 50 kg. So this is the problem, is we need to protect them, and the incubation period is main issue there. Due to this rainfall, the incubation period got increased by 1 week. That's why it came into news. But let me tell you that every year in the month of February they lay the eggs. That's why I think every year you get this news, and since it has been classified by the IUCN under the endangered species, so it is not the matter of India only, it's a global issue. since IUCN represents globally, it is represented globally, not in a regional basis. So I would like to conclude by saying that every time a species is extinct, it pushes one step closer to us, you can say, to our own extinction. We are being pushed one step closer to our own extinction if these species are being are getting extinct. So we are very much related, and it is the responsibility of all the people of this country, especially the people who live in the places those are connected to this particular bees, so that we could get a safe and secure planet and a safe and secure environment. Thank you very much.